All of you saying leave social media on during this period. Are you mad? Do you know that social media pays me? Leave social media, then how will my children eat? Please get out of my page. You think I have the luxury of doing that?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today is about Korra. I don't understand Nigerians again, really, like some of our presenters. It's like they forget they are safe. I don't understand. Korra was doing live video yesterday. Somebody writes, say, Korra have to stop live video for now and fix a marriage for now. So Korra just shouts, say, why will I quit social media? Now, I get paid for it. Then they pay her for social media. So, enough it stop live video. And at the end, they see money till they feed the children. So, none of it tell her make him stop live video because of what happened. Somebody die. So, people, they vex for Korra. So, some say whether social media na a family. Social media people na a family. So why she go talk say na there in the see money, all those things. I can't they wonder that some of our presenters like that they forget themselves. That they forget something I'll be waiting. Now here I go there when I go see say if una get problem, all of una go they run. They call of now they call una fans when they can't donate money for una. So why Korra will go they different now? Korra never even talk. All of una they carry him out. Una they analyze him out. And they even they see some of una they carry a video till they make money. If they carry una begin they give strike. But all of una they carry Korra video now. They use and they make money ever since. Korra never talk to una. And una they even they insult her on top of her video. She never talked to una. Some of una wey be say una dey really talk for this matter. Una never face una home. But una carry Korra matter for head. If Korra say, Korra they happy, say you no want really go back to the man again. Una know wetin Korra dey pass through for the marriage. Number one. Una know wetin make Korra no want go back. No. Nobody knows. So I don't know why I be say if una want just analyze the matter, now just they insult the girl. She no want go back. Now single mom they hungry her. Now single this thing. Where you know what they make her no one settle. Una no know. Una hear what everybody talk say. We go then look Oyibo marriage like what I see post something. Everybody talk and say Oyibo marriage na he hard pass. Oyibo to stay with Oyibo for house na he hard pass. But we go they look and say they with Oyibo. Now their own I just dey okay pass. Now lie. Now there will they get her wrong, my people. You understand? So maybe we let to the more we let this girl drink water be keep cup. Person will just bump again. This man they do on this kind of thing. We suppose no will know because only the man just they come and they talk. Now you feel say maybe na nice pass. No. We women we need to fight for ourselves sometimes. I dey watch genocide today when I see say they fight for that man. They say may all the men fight, may they fight for the man. I was shocked. But if now we go they begin they attack the woman. Wanna let Korra drink water make keep cup. She really bump pikin. If now let that one alone. That girl a small pikin. So now you know the reason why I don't want to go back. We can't force her. Now we they see that when we they talk and say if you're not there happy for your marriage, may you quit. We don't know the reason. Now we go only they see people for our side say that they happy, but each side we don't know. We don't know what they happen. So maybe we take them easy with Korra. Maybe we take them easy with her. Now yeah, they go insult una some of those una presenters so. They go even to us una go cheat on una husband. Una no fit call maths. Make una prove and so una no do am. Una go come say they talk, say Korra do this or Korra no do this one. I don't understand. I mean, Mona take am easy, I beg. Mona take am easy. Korra, the Lord is your strength, my sister. If you say you not go back, my sister, I not go feel forced to because I not there on the house there. The way some of presenters said they analyze this video, go be like say they deal with Korra for inside house. As they can't deal with Korra, they can't just know. how Korra to the feed. They can't just know how Korra to the treat the man. Una not follow them day house. Only what una just see for social media. Una want just finish the girl. If Korra say no one go back, now you know the reason. Now she know. Now she know the reason. So Mona leave her. If she want to do live video of 5 times or 100 times, and I see one video one on the share they go say she get belle. When she get belle for the first because she begin to dance anyhow with man. The husband was there now. Why the husband not complain? The husband was there. And this thing don't take. So why una they come they tag the bad the journal? Okay, una say una want put una want make everything calm, but una they see they put fire. I beg you, some of our presenters more not receive sense. I beg, more not receive sense. The one that they behave sometimes, very very annoying. Like seriously, my people, now wow, now wow for our people sometimes, really, una they very very annoying sometimes, It's okay, my darling people. This video I don't want me too long. But let me show the video. Let the video go viral. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, and welcome to my live. Today I'm gonna be making my signature breakfast egg sauce.
Open it, please.
You have to do it like this. Thank you guys for all the best wishes. Appreciate you. I'm making my signature egg sauce. And today I am very, very overwhelmed and tired. Yeah. Most especially is not easy today. Today is one of those hard days. So one of those days is requires more patience.
It's a bear. The one back, 2 eyes.
Egg sauce is it's kind of like your breakfast superfood, you know? It has vegetables, it has protein, which is the eggs.
Mommy, it's this one. I just have it on my mouth.
You can do it yourself. Hold it up like this. Yes, don't disturb mommy. Hold it up.
It's working.
Jin is extra needy today.
It's working, Mommy. It's working, Mommy. It's working, Mommy.
I'm cutting up my onions. Gonna get my vegetables. Everybody knows say, oh mommy, I know they lie. Oof.
Not working. I'm not working. I'm not working. And bring it. Go on.
June, you're being very needy. Do it like this and it will come. Be patient.